You asked for distributed additive manufacturing at scale. We delivered. Introducing Eiger Fleet. A global, enterprise-level solution brought to you by Markforged. Manage teams, equipment, and part production across your organization to seamlessly integrate additive manufacturing into your business. Eiger Fleet combines the speed and simplicity of Eiger with additional enterprise-grade features to help you manage your organization's distributed manufacturing operations on an enterprise and global scale. Now you can control all your printers, users, and workflows with greater efficiency and insight. Scale faster with Eiger Fleet.